Finding a new restaurant in your city is always super exciting, and Wooden City in downtown Spokane is living up to the hype. Here, they're serving up a good time paired with great food.
It's fabulous. It's got some traditional elements of cooking to it, but very unique flavors.
Amazing. We've been here once a week at least since they opened.
We want to be accepting and open to everyone, and we want people to have fun when they're here.
Co-owner and chef John Green started the first Wooden City in Tacoma with his business partner. Together, they decided that Spokane was the perfect place for their next location.
We want to take the really high standards that we've sort of come to learn throughout our careers and apply it to a little bit more casual food that most people would recognize.
Just a very cool vibe.
I love the fact that there's just so much variety.
It's a good place for a girls' night, happy hour, and then it'd be a nice date night.
We have some small plates that are a little bit on the fancier side, like our salmon toast, to chicken wings, because who doesn't love chicken wings? So it's kind of like a nice mix of a lot of different things, and I think people would really like the fact that they can come here and celebrate a special occasion, but they can also come here and have some beers and wings and just hang out.